Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Wireless Doorbell Camera. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Elytsemoh Wireless Video Doorbell Camera. The high-definition door camera provides two-way talk and real-time video through noise reduction and rate adaptive technology, allowing you to see, hear, and talk with visitors at the door through a wide range, anytime, anywhere. Number 4. Utic Doorbell Camera Wireless HD Doorbell Camera. Real-time view with wide viewing angle. Lets you never miss any visitor. Day or night, rain or shine, it allows you to take photography and record videos at any time. Night vision mode will be auto-switched. Number 3. COCOCAM Wireless Doorbell Camera. The Elytsemoh image sensor helps the video doorbell record everything clearly, even in backlighting. Dual IR LEDs help to capture clear and balanced night vision shots. The wireless doorbell, equipped with 5000 mAh rechargeable batteries, also comes with a wireless chime. Number 2. XTU Wireless Doorbell Camera. Wireless video doorbell is equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery and the latest Wi-Fi module chip, with up to 2 to 3 months of rechargeable battery life. On one charge, the Wi-Fi coverage can reach 100 feet, delivers increased installation flexibility to get the perfect 166 degrees view from your doorbell camera. Number 1. MUBVIEW Wireless Doorbell Camera. With PIR motion and human detection enabled, once human activity detected and notifies you in seconds. Doorbell camera can reduce false alarms caused by plants, animals, or small insects. The doorbell camera sound is perfectly synced up with the video and it's much clearer.